You work too hard to stay broke. How many subscriptions are you paying for right now? Do you even know the exact number? When was the last time you checked? What about those free trials you forgot to cancel? Are they still free? Here's something that might hurt a little. The average person loses about $2,700 a year. That's money going to things they don't even use, subscriptions they forgot existed, bills on auto pay that nobody ever reviews. It adds up quietly while you're busy living life. That's where Life Admin comes in. It's a free app for your iPhone. You add every bill and subscription in one place. It shows you exactly what you pay each month. It reminds you before anything renews. No more surprise charges hitting your account. No more guessing where your money went. Everything you need lives right in your pocket. No paper to lose, no pencil to find, no spreadsheet to update at midnight. Just open the app and see the truth. You finally get control without the stress. It goes wherever you go. Make sure to subscribe now. Drop a like if this helped. Comment what you overpay for. Life Admin is free in the App Store. 1 minute to set up. One place for everything. To do it.